Hello, baking class. Well, today we're gonna make drop scones. Blueberry drop scones? Sounds good to me. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk together all the dry ingredients in a separate small bowl. We're gonna start with 2 cups of flour. Level it off with your knife. Boom. Next is a 1/4 cup of sugar and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Those are all of the dry ingredients together. So now let's whisk it up. Get all the dry ingredients combined equally. Oh yeah. In our other large bowl, we're going to add the egg. Oh no, a little shell? No worries. Picky. All done. We're going to add the 3½ tablespoons of melted butter. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of buttermilk. Blip, 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 blip. Now we're gonna whisk all that together. Yeah. And now we're gonna slowly mix in our dry ingredients. The important part here is to not overmix it. If you add it all at once, it might be a little difficult to mix and you tend to overmix it. So we're gonna add the dry ingredients now. Now, instead of dried fruit, I'm gonna try adding frozen blueberries. There's a little stem on that one. Oh yeah. You could even give a couple blueberries to your doggy. Ready, Lucy? Sit, 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 sit. Awesome. Eat. Yeah. Okay, next we're going to scoop the dough. I have a little soup ladle instead of an ice cream scoop, but we're gonna plop it down there. Drop scones, drop it like it's hot. An option now is to sprinkle a little bit of sugar on them.